Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called The Tale of the Clownfish and the Great Shark by Lily Lenningston. Under the bubbles and deep down in the deep, creatures reside with the secrets they. One of the fish is the scariest of all. The great white shark is what he's called. His big jaw moves both up and down. He flings his prey around and around, then he gulps them whole before they scream. The great white shark is very mean. Jasper's a clownfish, a joker who tried all he was dared without asking why. He'd not followed the rules but broke them instead, forgetting quite often the brain inside his head. Clownfish wear white strips that are orange and white. They live by the core, quite close to the lake. They swim wild and free in the reef as they play, laughing and joking all hours of the day. When Ozzy the octopus dared him to go and swim to the ocean bed, way down to pilfer a tooth from the shark that was there, Jasper swam down with not one single care. I'll do it if you dare me to. We do dare, we all do dare you. So Jasper swam down to the bed in the dark to steal one sharp tooth from the huge great white shark. Jasper snuck to a place where the shark slept, darting and weaving. The closer he crept, when down came a net from the top of his head. And he heard the most frightening voice, and it said, "What are you doing down here, little clownfish? I think it's high time to make your last wish." Jasper looked up and he saw a cruel eel. He pulled on the net and let out a squeam. "A clownfish for dinner! How lovely it is!" And his tail flicked and sparked an electric whiz. Electroids run down the length of the eel, delivering shocks that would make a shark squeal. 600 volts of electric could shoot right through this fish is a strippy clown suit. A huge splash of water makes waves in the sea. Then millions of bubbles and seaweed debris swim off the eel and sleek flash of blue, and Jasper discovered the net was gone too. When Jasper looked back down, his clown eyes deceived him. The sight that he saw, no one else would believe him. Jasper, confused, did not know how to feel. Clownfish was saved by a shark from the eel. Jasper, in shock from the eel and the shark, stuttered a thank you and shook in the dark. "You're very much welcome," the shark kindly said. "I saved many others down here in my bed. Don't you want to eat me?" Jasper explained. "I'm a whale shark. I'm the huge shark explained. He turned and he pointed towards the seabed. That is my garden," the massive shark said. "I love to eat plankton, my favorite food, in salads and casseroles when it is seaweed." Jasper confessed, "My friends have all dared me to take a tooth as they think you're scary." The whale shark smiled at small Jasper and said, "I'll give you a tooth. I've got heaps in my head. When one falls out, another grows in, and this keeps on happening again and again." "That's awesome," said Jasper, applauding. And then, Can I please come back here and see you again?" "Of course, I would love that," the shark kindly said. "And the next time next time your friends can swim down to my bed, it gets very lonely down here in the deep. I find that good friends are not easy to keep." So Jasper, no longer a mere doubting Thomas, from that day he vowed that he'd keep his promise. He swam from the reef to help make amends, to visit the shark, now with all his friends. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!